Braised duck for dinner. I'm supposed to cook this last Chinese New Year, but I don't have time. Let's flip it. Yum. We'll put the recipe in the description. Ready to serve. Let's have dinner. So this is our sauce. I'm straining it down for a while. Then skim the oil. Then drizzle to our sliced duck in the sauce.